Hello everybody, this is a special EAS unboxing because I got this in the morning. I don't know why. You should not ask me because I don't know. Let me get this real quick. I'm gonna test this out. I wanna see if this actually works. I apologize for this because this might be a long video. I'm so tired. I can't speak up. I'm gonna plug it up with you. It kinda did it. I don't know what's up with it. It's a bug. The alert, the little thing that came with it. Okay. I don't know what we would use for this. I'm guessing this would be antenna right here. And here's the radio itself. Oh, it seems like it's outside. It's outside for a while. It does come with a thank you manual by Running Snail. And the manual. Let's see what else is in there. Nothing. The Running Snail, for comparison to the Radio Shack, is pretty small radio. No circumference for that for y'all. The Radio Shack, 519. Yeah. Alright, let's turn. Oh, version 4. Butt beeps. Yeah, I saw that before. Oh, okay, I get how this works now. Sorry.
Weather, temperature, and wind were made. DFW Airport, Park 44, Northwest at 8.
This is definitely not our channel,
41. Phone. Dallas Love Field, partly cloudy, 49, north at 10.
it does not have alert playback. Not what y'all thought. But yeah, it's good radio. I think they mean I'll do some tests, see if it does have alert playback, and I'll reach out to y'all. So bye-bye. This is the md329 from Amazon.